Today we are back with a very special episode on the first day of the year 2019. For the start of the year, there is a very important issue. The Triple Talaq Bill is scheduled to be reintroduced in the Rajya Sabha tomorrow. A day before the Triple Talaq Bill is to be reintroduced in the Rajya Sabha tomorrow, there is strong opposition from different corners of the country, both political and social. The government says the bill is for the protection of women, but the women are seen opposing the bill. Addressing a press conference this afternoon, Women's Wing of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board strongly opposed the bill and rejected its proposal in the Rajya Sabha. Here's a look at what they have to say.
In relation to the Muslim Women Bill 2018, which is going to be debated in the Rajya Sabha on the 2nd of January. Today we have called this press conference to oppose and to condemn the Muslim Women Bill 2018, which is currently being debated in the Rajya Sabha. The bill has been brought for the second time in the Rajya Sabha and it is posted for discussion on the 2nd of January 2019. The bill may break marriages rather than empowering women. The bill is a direct blow to the family system and the institution of marriage. The bill is brought for empowering the women, but the provisions that are there in the bill defeat its very purpose. Muslim women will not get anything from this bill. She will be left abandoned, deserted, and her life will be made more miserable with lot of legal complications. On mere allegation of the wife, the husband is jailed. Is this not against the criminal jurisprudence? It is irony that in this country we have the freedom in personal lives, in personal matters, the freedom for men and women to have live-in relationships, premarital relationships, extramarital relationships, and then you have this example of decriminalization in section 377. So all these matters, the personal freedom and the civil matters are respected. Then why is a Muslim husband sent to jail for giving a divorce? Why is he penalized for giving a divorce?
Addressing the conference, Dr. Asma Zahra, Chief Coordinator of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, Women's Wing, strongly opposed and said the bill was unnecessary and an intervention in the religious and fundamental rights of Muslims of India. Here are glimpses from the press conference. That's all for this bulletin. We'll be back with more and happening updates. Keep watching Gawah.